Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga sa lahat. It's already May 7 at 2 o'clock in the morning. Thank you so much. Just to take coffee first. So it needs to understand, it needs to adapt the environment of work, environment of the status of their lives. Just because there is a lot of people they do not understand by each standing, by its own selves. The most very important thing for you to discover life is to sacrifice a little bit of everything. That is the very understandable, the most precious things in his life for us. No matter what happened in the future, it should be to prepare for everything. Because we need to preserve a younger generation of this universe. We don't sacrifice as an adult right now for our own interests. It is the interest of the future. So that's why, who among you here that there is a lot of the problems in their lives, trials, struggles, we need to understand. Because when we are rendering obligations, responsibilities of our life, it needs to first understand ourselves. That is the biggest things for us to understand. That is the most precious things for you, for us, that God's put in that trials, put in that problems for us to be developed and to be grow more stronger than others. So that's why there is a lot of problems in this universe. There is a lot of things to be fixed. There is a lot of things to be need more solutions in their problems. Because problems, it gives us more solutions. It gives to develop our oneself, to develop our character, to be strong from weakness, a weak character into a good character, the strong character to be developed. So that's why you need to understand first, just to move and use your mind. Because the main driver of the human evolutions, the main driver of the human civilizations, the main driver of the human body is our brain. So that's why need for you to use our brain, need for us to use our brain. Everything in this universe, that life, that this universe, our struggles, our trials, our hindrance in their life are dealt all in numbers. Life, it deals our numbers. Sacrifice, it deals our numbers. Trial is deals all about the numbers. So that's why life, it must be the most precious things by God, mga kaibigan.